Hey guys, it's Frankie here. Welcome back to my channel, Frankie Raw TV. And don't forget, before I start anything, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, guys. Interact with me. Tell me what you guys want to see, what you guys want to know. Let me know. But I'm here with my beautiful friend,
Callie Nicole.
Yes, guys. Isn't she gorgeous? Yes, she is. And I'm gonna recreate a look on her that I've been looking at for a minute. It's from Kim Kardashian herself, of course, and it's her look at Met Gala 2018. I don't know if you guys ever seen it, but she was bomb. She wore a sultry smoky eye, and I've been dying to recreate that look. So I'm gonna do it for you guys today here on Frankie Raw TV. So let me know what you think of the video. So I'm gonna get into it, guys, all right? All right.